I love running. 1. I love running very much. 2. Running is good for health. 3. I run every morning. 4. I run in the park near my house. 5. I wear sports shoes when I run. 6. Running makes my body strong. 7. I feel fresh after running. 8. My father also runs with me. 9. I run fast like the wind. 10. I take deep breaths while running. 11. I enjoy running with my friends. 12. We race and have fun. 13. My teacher says running keeps us fit. 14. I drink water after running. 15. I run during sports day in school. 16. I want to run in big races. 17. Running helps me stay active. 18. It also makes me happy. 19. I never miss my morning run. 20. I love running every day.